Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the terminal and immediately checking your shell and preferences so nothing distracts you later. First, confirm which shell is active and change to your preferred shell if needed. This affects aliases and startup files. Next, set font size and theme for readability and configure the default directory so you land where you work. Once done, enable clipboard sharing and essential keyboard shortcuts. These small settings speed up every next command. You now learn the core commands that make terminal powerful: navigation, file operations, and process control. Use PWD and LS to orient yourself, then CD into projects. Tree gives a quick structure view. For files, apply CP, MV, RM, mkdir, and prefer interactive flags when unsure. Manage permissions with chmod and chown so scripts run correctly, and inspect running tasks with ps or top. Use kill to stop misbehaving processes. You finish by automating and securing your workflow. Write short shell scripts, mark them executable, and run them to reduce repetitive typing. If you connect remotely, generate SSH keys and store hosts in an SSH config so connections are one command. For safety, set up backups using tar or zip for archives and rsync for incremental backups. If something breaks, check path and shell startup files first. Often missing environment variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.